there friends, and welcome back to Make Your Money Thrive. I'm Christina, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a cash envelope stuffing of $248 here into my cash envelope system. So this is going to be cash from my first paycheck budget, official paycheck budget of 2024. So I'm super excited to be doing the first official cash envelope stuffing for 2025. I think I said 2024 a moment ago, but it's for 2025. So I am super excited. In 2024, I didn't do a great job with sticking to my cash envelope system. I did an okay job when it came to my weekly expenses, but when it came to my sinking funds and stuff like that, I definitely fell off course, and I really felt it in terms of achieving my financial goals and all of that. So in 2025, I really want to make sure that I'm getting back on track with my cash envelope system, because it really does work and it really helps you to be effective with your money and to achieve results with your money, and who doesn't want that? So I'm really excited to be doing this cash envelope stuffing. So I will be using the My Money is Thriving budget planning workbook to keep track of the categories that I'm going to be stuffing, how much, and also the denominations that I want to put in there. I have my cash here in this little bag. This is kind of deposit bag. So I'm going to take this out and get it sorted and make sure that I actually do have $248 in here. All right, so I do have $248. My camera is kind of gonna die here soon, so let's rock and roll and get this stuffed. So the first area that I have is household is going to be getting $50, and household is one of my regular weekly expenses. But with household, I kind of do more of a monthly allocation, but my other variable expenses, I'll do a weekly allocation. So I'm doing half of the monthly allocation into household. So this month I'm going to be doing $100 into household, but for now I'm just going to put 50. So I'm doing 2 20s and 2 5s to make $50. So I've got 20, 40, 45, and 50. 20, 40, 45, 50. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into my household envelope. And then I'm also putting some cash into taxes, and that's for tax preparation and anything else that might be due this tax season. So I'm going to put $100 in there, and I'm just doing a $100 bill for that. So here's my taxes envelope, and I'm putting in $100. Perfect. And then credit card is next, and that's going to be getting $25. So I'll do a 20 and a 5. So credit card is right here. And I'll do 20 and 5. And usually when I stuff, if there's cash already in there, I just put the cash right here so that I can see that it was done on more than one stuffing, and then I'll go in at a later time to actually count my cash and total up what's in each one, but I don't count it when I do my cash envelope stuffings. And then for my kiddo's birthday in particular, I want to put $13. So that is under special occasions in another wallet. So in this wallet, I want to put $13. So I have special occasions, but I know that I want to put this $13 to my kiddo's birthday. So I'm going to kind of bypass special occasions and put it straight into my kiddo's birthday instead. So I'm going to be doing 2 5s and 3 1s. 1, These are like some really sticky, crisp, fresh fives, so they're sticking together. And 3 ones. So I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to put that in my kiddo's birthday so that it's already in there. And then I have $10 going to my kiddos category overall. So that's just going to go to his high level category here, and then I can allocate it out where it makes sense. So I am going to be doing 2 5s. So I'll grab 2 5s for that. And I've got 5, 10. So I'll just put that here. And then last I have vacation is going to be getting $50. Now I do have 2 vacation categories in my cash envelope system, but I'm going to be putting this into my bigger vacation category. So this is going to get 2 20s and 2 5s, which should be what I have left. So I have 2 20s and 2 5s for a total of $20, $40, $45, $50. So I'm going to put that into vacation. And then vacation is one of those that the category is vacation, but then I'll be able to go through and kind of see where I want to put the money that I have in there. So, and I will be doing those as videos when I come in to reallocate the money from my high level category into some of my smaller categories. So definitely be on the lookout for that. But that is it. That's the $248 that I wanted to allocate in today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this little cash envelope stuffing. If you did, make sure you put a like on it, and don't forget to get subscribed because I'd absolutely love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.